Want to make your iPhone keyboard bigger? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily make your keyboard bigger on iPhone. First thing first, move into the settings of your device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll down and move into display and brightness right over here. Once you're in the space, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see display zoom. Click on it. Instead of default, you have to click on larger text. Once you've selected larger text, all you gotta do is click on done at the top right corner and then click on use zoomed. But right here you can see it says changing display zoom will restart your iPhone, which means that it will restart your device. After that, this feature will be applied. Once the device has been restarted, you can move into any of the page and open your keyboard. You will be able to see that the keyboard will be larger than before. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.